Are you thinking about starting a business in Delaware? Smart move. Whether you're from here or registering from out of state, Delaware is a total cheat code for business. Like low taxes, business-friendly laws, and it's literally where tons of people register their companies here. In this video, I'm going to break down 22 business ideas that are perfect for Delaware. Some of these, you can start from home on your laptop. Others, you can scale big. Let's start with number 1. Registered agent service. When someone starts a business in Delaware but they live out of state, they need what's called a registered agent. Basically, someone with a Delaware address to receive their official mail. If you live in Delaware, you can charge a yearly fee for this, and once you've got a few clients, it becomes recurring income. Number 2. Business formation consultant. People want to start LLCs or corporations, but the paperwork is confusing. You could help with filing, getting an EIN, writing operating agreements, even bundle it into a service package. Super helpful if you know the steps. Real quick, if you're serious about starting your business in Delaware, you're going to need a registered agent. And honestly, I always recommend Northwest Registered Agent. They've helped literally thousands of people form their LLCs and corporations, and they keep your info private, which is a big deal. The website is super easy to use. Also no upsells or any shady stuff. Just solid service. I've dropped a link in the description. Go check them out if you're ready to get started. Alright, back to the ideas. Next, number 3. Legal and compliance consultant. If you've got a legal background, this one's big. Delaware has some unique business laws. You can offer contract help, trademark filings, or compliance services, especially for startups trying to stay legit. Then, number 4. Accounting and bookkeeping. Every business needs someone to do the books. If you know accounting or even just how to use QuickBooks, you can offer monthly services to small business owners. Steady, reliable income, and it scales well. Number 5. Virtual assistant business. You don't need a fancy degree for this. Offer services like scheduling, email management, customer support, or research, all online. It's one of the easiest businesses to start, especially if you want to work from home. 6. Tech startup. If you've got a tech idea, an app, a platform, or some kind of software, Delaware is one of the best places to form your company. Investors love Delaware C-Corp. So, if you're thinking big, this is the way to go. Number 7. SaaS company. This one's for the coders or techie folks. SaaS means software as a service. It's like Dropbox or Calendly. People pay a monthly fee to use your software. Build it once, and if it solves a real problem, it can make money while you sleep. Next, 8. E-commerce store. Sell stuff online, whether it's custom t-shirts, candles, or trending gadgets. You can use Shopify or Etsy, and Delaware's lack of sales tax gives you a small edge on your margins. Number 9. Social media marketing agency. Businesses want to be on TikTok and Instagram, but they don't know what they're doing. If you're good at creating content, running ads, or building brand pages, you can charge businesses to handle it for them. 10. Content creation studio. This could be a YouTube channel, a podcast, or a TikTok brand. Teach something, be entertaining, review products, then monetize with ads, sponsorships, or digital products. The startup cost is low. The upside is huge. Number 11. Event planning business. If you're organized and love managing details, event planning is for you. Plan weddings, baby showers, or even corporate retreats. You don't need a storefront, just a website, some marketing, and hustle. So, you've discovered a business you're passionate about, and now your company or store is expanding its reach. But with success comes a new question. Should you consider forming a business? This is where LLCs come in. An LLC is a legal structure that separates your personal assets, like your savings, from your business assets. If someone sues your business, your personal belongings are protected. Plus, LLCs offer potential tax benefits. Forming an LLC is easy. It's extremely easy to get started with LLC formation services at Northwest Registered Agent. If you choose to pay in full for Northwest's LLC formation service, you'll be charged a $39 service filing fee plus an expedited filing fee that varies based on the state of incorporation. You simply go to its website and elect for the company to complete the process for you. Then, you'll select the type of business you want to form, LLC, corporation, or nonprofit. From there, you'll select your state and whether you would like to pay for a 7-day processing period or a 1-day period. After that, you'll only have to pay and submit basic documentation about you and your business. Then, the company will take it from there to get your business registered. The full review and tutorial of Northwest Registered Agent are also provided in the description below. Next, number 12. Food truck or catering. Restaurants are expensive to open. A food truck? Way cheaper. Delaware cities are perfect for lunch crowds, farmers markets, and events. Great for testing a food concept before opening a physical space. Number 13. Real estate investment. Buy a property, fix it up, rent it out, or flip it. Delaware's got affordable neighborhoods and growing areas. Even just owning one rental can start building long-term wealth. 14. Corporate training and workshops. Got experience in business, leadership, or HR? You can teach that to others. Offer training for company teams, stuff like sales coaching, leadership development, or conflict resolution. Then, number 15. IT and cybersecurity services. Tech issues are real, and small businesses don't always have an in-house IT team. If you know networking, software setups, or how to prevent cyber attacks, you're valuable. 16. Health and wellness coaching. People want to feel better, physically and mentally. You could be a fitness coach, nutritionist, or mindset mentor. You can coach online or even partner with local gyms or clinics. 17. Subscription box business. Pick a niche: skincare, coffee, art supplies, pet toys, and send out a curated box each month. It's fun and people love surprises. Once you get a few loyal customers, the income is predictable. Number 18. Franchise ownership. Buy into a business that already works, like a food chain, cleaning service, or gym. There's an upfront cost, but a lot of the systems and branding are already built. Less risk, more support. 19. Import-export business. If you know what's in demand and where to find it cheap, you can make money moving products between countries. Delaware's shipping and logistics scene makes it easier to get started. Next, 20. Renewable energy consultant. Help people or businesses switch to solar, install EV chargers, or improve energy efficiency. There's demand and incentives for going green, so it's good timing. Number 21. Startup incubator or co-working space. Delaware's full of new businesses, especially online ones. You can create a space for them to work, network, and grow. Think shared office space meets startup club. Finally, number 22. YouTube channel or online course business. Yep, just like this channel. If you know something valuable, teach it. Make content, build an audience, and then offer a course, coaching, or a paid membership. By the way, if you're feeling inspired by any of these ideas and you're thinking, and now your company or store is expanding its reach. But with success comes a new question. Should you consider forming a business? This is where LLCs come in. An LLC is a legal structure that separates your personal assets, like your savings, from your business assets. If someone sues your business, your personal belongings are protected. Plus, LLCs offer potential tax benefits. Forming an LLC is easy. There are 2 options for forming your LLC. Do it yourself. Hire a professional LLC formation service to set up your LLC for a small fee. Northwest Registered Agent can assist you in streamlining several crucial small business tasks. They offer to walk you through the formation process for free. When you create a free account with Northwest, you'll gain access to online tools for LLC formation, maintenance walkthroughs, and company document creation. All you have to pay is your state's filing fee. If you're confused or find these steps difficult, Northwest will file your paperwork for as little as $39 plus your state filing fee. This option includes compliance filing, phone service, and lifetime support from local corporate guides. If you choose to pay in full for Northwest's LLC formation service, you'll be charged a $39 service filing fee plus an expedited filing fee that varies based on the state of incorporation. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even offer a service where they will file your LLC for you, saving you the hassle. The full review and tutorial of Northwest Registered Agent are also provided in the description below. And there you go. 22 business ideas you can start right here in Delaware.
Some are totally online.
Some are more hands-on. But they all take advantage of what makes Delaware such a smart place to do business. Comment below and tell me which idea you try, or if you've already started something, I want to hear about it. If you liked this video, drop a like, subscribe for more weekly biz ideas, and hit that bell so you don't miss out.